this out. We got the CompuStar T13 remote start alarm. It's not too bright out here right now. Ended up doing the stereo system too. We did the Jensen 8-inch loading screen. We actually installed a 5-channel amplifier. Let me get this. And we actually had to tint it too. We removed the old tint, put the new tint, 3%. And we got the Mexico edition Epic Center and a 12-inch kicker subwoofer. CVR. See how it sounds. I'm gonna have to put the key in, the accessory on. And it's already connected to my Apple CarPlay, to my phone. Let's see. Okay, get a better camera. And we got the Epic Center down here.
Justifica los de Dios, aventándose en el ruedo. Salimos del agujero. Si fuera fácil, si fuera así, todos eran mis carnales. Salimos adelante.